Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a cranberry maple bourbon cocktail, perfect for anybody's Christmas festivities. All right, what we had in there was 4 ounces of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of maple syrup, about 2 ounces of bourbon, then we're going to follow this up with a 1/2 ounce to 3/4 of an ounce of Grand Marnier. Obviously, I have some ice in my shaker. Then we're just going to pop the top on and shake the living hell out of it. All right, and then we just have a highball glass with some ice in there and pour the entire contents in. And that's really it. Cranberry maple bourbon. Done.